Good morning, everybody. Quick update. Sunday morning here. I got the truck home, actually up in my garage here. I got a car show for my local hometown today. So I got it all cleaned up yesterday and ready to go. It's actually raining outside. So hopefully the rain stops here pretty quick. We can get to the car show. But I wanted to give a quick update and a quick shout out. My buddy over at Whitlock Garage gave me a shout out on one of his videos. I had sent him a t-shirt just as thanks for all the help he's given me over the last couple months. And he put me on blast and put me on his channel. And I want to thank everybody for the subscriptions. It's really blowing up overnight. I woke up and saw that, and I was like, whoa, what's going on here? And I figured out what was going on, so my buddy over at Whitlock Garage hooked me up. So I really do appreciate it. You guys, it's very humbling to see this happen overnight. But I wanted to give a quick update. I have a giveaway going for 1,000 subscribers. At the rate we're going, we're probably going to hit that by noon today. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that open until like Tuesday. And I'll go ahead and make another video. So I'm going to put a link in the video right, see if I can find right where my finger's at, right there. And click on that, go to that video, drop a comment in there if you want to be entered in the contest. I've got a set of flex fuel injectors from a 2010 and up that are the 51 pounders that I'm giving away, and a decal pack. So again, I want to thank everybody for this. This is amazing. This is no better way to wake up on a Sunday and see this happening. But we're finally getting somewhere. We're making some traction, and it's awesome. And it's all Whitlock Garage, man. He hooked it up big time, and I can't thank him enough for what he's done for me. But anyway, link up in the corner here. Link in the description. Click on that. Drop a comment in that video, and I am going to select a couple winners from those comments down there on Tuesday. I'm hoping to do it Tuesday night. It's a night off from baseball. We don't have baseball on Tuesday night, so I'm going to have some time. I will get a winner picked, or a couple winners picked, and we will go from there. But again, thank you everybody for the subscriptions, and I'm hoping to shoot some video today at the car show. Have a good Sunday.